One more. I like it also. Good evening and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Mga kabunso, my name is Edwin Diego and I'm your bartender. So mga kabunso, for tonight, I'm gonna show you how to make a Malibu sunrise. Yes, Malibu sunrise. So for the Malibu sunrise, you need this Malibu rum. This is a coconut rum and grenadine syrup and orange juice. And of course my jigger. And for tonight, I'm gonna use this Pilsner glass for this cocktail. So mga kabutso, just sit back, relax, and enjoy for watching. And let's start for Malibu sunrise cocktail. Let's start. So first step mga kabuso, grab the glass of course, and first step, grenadine syrup. So for the grenadine syrup, just put the 5 ml. Make always first grenadine syrup, just a little bit, just 5 ml of grenadine syrup, and then next put some ice. Okay, also put some ice. All right, and next, Malibu rum. Nice smell, same like a coconut. So for the Malibu, 60 ml of Malibu. 60 ml of Malibu rum. Oops. All right. And for finally, grab the orange juice. Fill up with the orange juice. Wow. Ooh, nice. Perfect combination. And then my bar spoon. So you can use this one, because you need the sunrise. You need the red color from the sun. Just like this. Rounding. Alright. Perfect. See mga kabunso. And then, for the garnish mga kabunso, orange slice, just orange slice. Just a simple garnish. Simple and elegant garnish. So, garnish and straw. Alright mga kabunso, Malibu sunrise is ready. So mga kabunso, thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to share to all your friends. So mga kabunso, this is my favorite tasting time. Cheers. Po mga bunso, the taste is nice. What can I say? You will like this one. But the smell is coconut because of it's made by coconut. You will like it. For the ladies, you will like this one. One more, I like it also. So mga bunso, once again, thank you very much for watching your Malibu sunrise. Cheers!